Audio Jungle.
In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to run multiple DHCP servers on a single router. So we're going to go to IP addresses, and the first thing that I'm going to do is to assign an IP to the bridge. So there are two ways of doing this. So if, for instance, your bridge had one port, just a single port, you could actually assign the IP address to that port, or even if your port is not in a bridge, you could still assign it to the port. But because port 4 and 5 are in bridge 2, so I'm going to assign the IP address to the bridge. So in turn, what it will do is that any device that is connected to any of these ports, port 4 or 5, will actually get an address from the DHCP server. So I'm going to use 192.168.6.1 with a subnet mask of 24, and we're going to assign that to bridge 2. Apply. Okay. So next thing is to create an address pool. So this is where the clients will get their IP addresses from this pool. So already there's a pool in the .5 subnet. So I'm going to create another pool for this new network. So click on the plus, and we're going to leave it as pool 2, and we're going to give it 192.168.6.20 to 192.168.6.30. So the range is would be between 20 and 30. Okay, that. So the other thing is that we are going to go to IP DHCP server, and currently there's one DHCP server running. So I'm going to create another one. Click on the plus. I'm going to rename this to DHCP2, and for the address pool that we had just created, I'm going to pull addresses from pool 2 for this server, and click apply. Oh, the other thing is to change the interface to bridge 2, and then click apply. Okay, that. The lease time now, if say for instance you want to shorten the lease time, you could do so here. So but the default is 10 minutes, but you can shorten it or increase it. It depends on your need, but I'm going to leave it as the default. The next thing is to click on network, and I'm going to add a new network, which is 192.168.6.0/24, and the gateway now will be the bridge 192.168.6.1 with a mask of 24. Apply. Okay. So let me just go back through things that were done. First, we had created an address and assign it to bridge 2. Then we created a pool of addresses and then created a DHCP server, which is DHCP2, and that DHCP server will be using pool 2 to get its addresses. And we had created a network, a separate network for that interface. So I'm going to do a check now. We can look in leases. So let us look at lease. So we are seeing where there are 2 devices now connected to the network, and we are seeing where one device is on the .5 subnet while the other is on the .6 subnet. So, and you're seeing the server that is issuing the addresses. You realize one is from DHCP1 and the other is from DHCP2. So this is how you go about running multiple DHCP servers on a single router. You could actually create more if you need to, and expand your network depending on your needs. So that's it for this tutorial, and if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and remember to subscribe, and thanks for watching.